This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Gwynn. 17 acres of private living located minutes to town and schools. This farmhouse has been expanded several times through the years with metal roof, 2001, and vinyl siding. Some original woodwork, solid doors and trim retained, ceramic doorknobs. Updates include custom oak cabinetry, large eat-in kitchen with bench seating and kegerator, great for entertaining. 3 bedrooms with EnSuite baths and large second-story family room. First floor bath and waterside bonus room. Front porch has Brazilian hardwood decking. Waterside deck is 36 by 13 and perfect for sunsets, facing west, northwest. Approximately 600 plus waterfront footage with 200-foot pier on East River with access to Mobjack Bay. The fiberglass saltwater swimming pool can be heated with wood-burning stove. The attached 2-car garage is oversized and offers workshop space, 12 ceilings and HVAC. For more information.